I'm at home base again, and today I picked up the wood to frame the pantry in our house. Yay! So I'm stacking it in. I picked up hay for the goats while I was here too, and home base, home away from home. So Jonathan's house is probably 97.9999999% done, but just to change it up a little, I decided I'm going to build the pantry in our house this week. So that's the project. I'm going to build the pantry, frame out the pantry, get it closed in, and then that way I can build my can organizers and stuff and get that done. And I'll just be happy to have something framed in our house. So that's where we're going to go, and we'll get started.
Mommy takes a heart attack.
How did I give her a heart attack? All right, I measured all of them 1/4 inch under 89. The walls are 89, side walls are 89 inches high. So I did 89 inches. And the reason why, or I did 1/4 inch under 89. And the reason why I did that is because the root ceiling that we're going to be using is 1/4 inch thick. So we're going to use the same one that we did in Jonathan's house, and then that way it'll be able to slide right on top of the rafters, or not rafters, you know what I mean, the walls. And then we won't have to do every wall separately on the outside. Anyway, that's the way we did Jonathan's, and it seemed to work pretty well. We'll see. If not, if we decide to go with something thicker, then we'll, you know. Very momentous time. The first wall in our new house. Yay! All right, got the next one laid out here, getting ready to be put together. So we're gonna have a pantry.
So you back the bath over you?
There we have 2 walls.
Oh, the paper that you brought?
We have a pantry.